Welcome to Talk Point. Former President Donald Trump has raised concerns over what he described as a potential alignment of China, North Korea, and Russia against the United States. His remarks shared on Truth Social came amid a high-profile international gathering in Beijing, where Chinese President Xi Jinping, Russian President Vladimir Putin, and North Korean leader Kim Jong-un appeared together during a major military parade. Trump expressed concerns over the apparent cooperation between these global powers, highlighting recent diplomatic and military developments. Despite these warnings, he emphasized confidence in the strength and preparedness of the U.S. military to respond to any emerging threats. The Kremlin response promptly to Trump's comments. Russian presidential aide Yuri Washkov dismissed the notion of the conspiracy, suggesting the former president may have spoken in jest, and confirmed that no coordinated plan against the United States exists or is being considered. The Beijing gathered also included discussions on economic and energy matters, including the long-delayed power of Siberia 2 pipeline project, which aims to transport Russian national gas to China. In addition, North Korea continues to maintain its alliance with Russia, providing military support and resources. Analysts note that while the public display of unity among China, Russia, and North Korea signals closer ties, the geopolitical dynamics remain complex. Observers emphasize that diplomacy, economic negotiations, and global security strategies will continue to shape relations between this nation and the United States in the months ahead. The United States continue to monitor developments closely, balancing begins with strategic engagement while reaffirming its commitment to global security and alliance. Thanks for watching Talk Point. If you found this update informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for the latest coverage of events shaping the Middle East and global news.